In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your ribbon in Excel. So to customize your ribbon, or this area up here, you must go to Excel and Preferences. In Windows, you would go to File and Excel Options. Select the ribbon and toolbar function, and here you can view main tabs or all tabs. I'm going to go to main tabs and show you that we can actually remove some of these options if you don't want to make them visible. So maybe I don't want to see the draw tab, the developer tab, or the data tab. All I need to do is deselect those, save, and then once I X out of here, they should disappear. Another thing you can do is create your own tabs. So I'm going to go back to Excel, Preferences, Insert, New tab. Once I'm selected, I can click this, use the rename option. I'm going to call it my new tab. So if you want to add something to a tab, you have to have a group. So now I'm going to name the group. We'll just call it group 1. And also add an icon. Put a smiley face. Okay, so I have group 1. Now I can actually add tools and popular commands. So I do a lot of cutting. I'm going to add this by selecting it and clicking on this arrow. I do a lot of copying. I'm going to add that. I'd like to be able to have a borders option. And I want to be able to bring up my email. There are some other options, like if you have macros created, you can add those functions. And if that group gets full, well, you can just add another group, and it'll divide your tab into a couple different sections. So let me name this call it, oops, can't spell today. We'll call it group 2. Put a different icon. And I'll add a couple of commands. 3D options. 3D color. Let's take a look and see what this looks like. I'm going to save this. X out of here. Alright, there's my new tab. And I have 2 different groups. Here's group 1 and group 2. You can name quite a few tabs, and I believe even if you add these popular commands to your tab, you can still rename them, and you can even give them different icons. So there really is a lot of customization you can do with the Excel ribbon. And if you feel a little awkward about making changes, just know that you can always go here, reset all of your customizations. So then when you exit out of this window, all your options should go back to default. See, it says I'm getting this alert that says delete all ribbon and quick access toolbar customization for this program. Yes. There we go. Everything's back to normal. Hope this video was helpful for you.